Okay, so today there are two
And Ishaq Sir,
yes, yes,
hello.
yes, yes. Tell me.
I have to, yeah, I have to give you a balance. So
Mhm.
I will give that on the August first week. Is it okay?
August 1st. For what?
Yeah, I
Uh,
have to give you some balance
yes, yes,
payment.
yes,
You
yes,
remember that? You forgot.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, you. No
Okay,
problem.
I'll give you on that. Okay, August
Okay,
first week I'll give
okay, okay. No
because
problem.
my salary will be dance on that week.
No problem. First, no problem. Okay.
Okay, section. Okay.
Okay. So we have to learn the two more concepts about the VSA that are very important. That are not so much important, but sometimes we need these concepts.
Okay.
So I must share with you. In this VSA course, so there are two topics are remaining. Those topics are what? The failed buying climax and the failed selling climax. Okay.
Yes.
So there are two main concepts. Sometimes we will see this one in the chart. Sometimes
Yes.
this one in the chart. Sometimes this one in the chart.
Yes.
So these things shows it means a wave goes up, goes down, again goes up, again goes down. The big
Yes.
waves.
Yes.
Sometimes two candles goes up, two down, two goes up, two goes down. Okay, and
Yes.
sometimes the small wave goes up, again the another small wave goes up, then goes down. These type of scenarios we are finding in the bullish wave, and also we are finding in the
Bearish
bearish
wave.
wave. This type of how we understand that if this wave is closed here and going to up direction, is it correct or not? So in this case, this signal will help us. This one,
Okay.
even if there is a triple top, triple bottom, we can consider. So the failed buying climax is what? In this wave, you found that market goes up. Here we find a candle like that. Okay, we moving to the on the notepad that I can send you picture also.
Okay.
So here, just I'm drawing that what we are learning here. Failed buying climax and failed selling climax. So these things in the wave when I'm talking that market moves in up direction, I found a candle like this one. Okay, and then the candles is going down. Just to draw on this area, what happening today? Okay, this one, and then the red one. Maybe sometime where is the big wave, and then again I'm seeing that market is moving in up direction, and then again market is moving down direction. This what shows me? It shows me that if the volume of this bar is decreasing from the previous bar, okay,
Okay.
here on this wave, again I'm seeing that volume is decreasing from the previous bar. So this area and this area, what's showing me? On this candle
Showing
volume decreased, on this candle volume decreased. It means now after this wave, the market will goes down. It will continue goes down. It will break the level. So that concept we read in the price action. So that is a sign with the volume. If this wave have a low volume and this wave have also low volume, it's a sign of continuation in the downtrend. It means the buyers have no demand. Buyers have no effort. So in this case, when the climax we found, if there is a climax or not, but in both when we combine these concepts, it's showing that that is a failed buying climax. So market is moving down. Same for the downward. Same for the downward. Okay. So here like candles. Oh no, these are all the weight. I saw the market moving in up direction. And again, now market is moving in down direction. And again, market is moving in up direction. So here we found that on this bar, volume is decreasing, and on this bar, volume is decreasing. So on the both areas, volume is decreasing. It means that is a failed selling climax. That is what? That is a failed selling climax. Okay. Here, the failed buying climax and the failed selling climax. That is one condition. That is condition number one. And there is also another condition. Just I'm going to show you. So do you understand this condition with the waves? On the both waves where the volume is decreasing, you can understand that that is a failed buying climax or selling climax. Okay. And now we are moving to the next condition. The next condition is that, yes.
So how to trade on that? We have to wait for breakout.
Okay, I will take you on the chart that I will give you idea with how we can trade. The buying climax, failed buying climax. When the market moves up, moves up, moves up. Here I saw this one. Again, I saw the red candle with this one. Again, I saw the buyers again entered. Again, I saw the candles goes down. So that is in this candle what I saw.
Buyers entered, sellers coming again. Buyers come
In this
and
case,
sellers. Yes.
when the market volume was like that,
Yeah. Buyers getting weaker.
so I'm looking at in this candle, volume decreased, sellers entered, sellers volume increased because there's a wick below. It shows that maybe there's a support level and buyers again want to enter. Again, buyers volume decreased. So must be buyers volume increased from here. And now again, I say the sellers enter with low volume. It means the buyers are getting weak. And now this is the absorption candle. It absorbs whole the pressure of the buyers. So that is a sign of continuation and downward. The trend is going to enough. That is a position that now buyers are getting failed.
Weaker.
So that is a failed buying climax that buyers cannot continue. So sometimes we will find this type of scenario in the market. Okay, sometimes we are finding like this. I'm going to show you. This is the same for the downward. That is the condition number 2. Okay, that's the condition number 2.
Okay.
I'm going to now show you some pictures. You told me about the pictures. I will send you, just I get time to search all the pictures, because all the pictures are merged in one folder. So now it's very difficult when I'm in a partition of the, which is the which trade. So I will
Okay.
share you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, so here
Okay. Okay.
on
Tomorrow
VSM.
you are off day, right?
Okay, tomorrow we are off day, and I will share you these pictures. Okay.
No, it's okay. You tomorrow take your rest and
Okay.
Monday, Shem, it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Look at this picture. In this picture, I saw the volume increased. Okay,
Yes.
there are 2 to 3 conditions just to understand the selling climax. The
Okay.
volume increased, again buyers entered.
Okay.
Again volume
Yes.
increased, against buyers entered. That is a condition number 3. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
In the previous condition, as we are taking the 2 concepts like a pseudo and like a ultra high volume, these are the both conditions. Okay. So
Okay.
that is another condition, the condition number 3, you can say. In this case, look at this candle have an ultra high volume. It's showing the climax, okay, at the end. And the another candle interrupt the climax. Again, I see the another candle, which is called the B candle. That is a candle, that is a B candle. Now the C candle again interrupt, okay. So this time, sometime we will understand. Sometimes if the volume is decreasing, you can take same signal, that is a weakness from the sellers, and sometimes buyers, sellers volume increase, and again buyers entered, you can take the decision. Look at the market will move in up direction. It will go for the 5 minute or 6 minute will go up. When the trend is going to end, you will see this type of interruption with the sellers trend. Again buyers and buyers interrupt. So this C number candle is the absorption candle. It means it absorbs all the pressure of the candle number B. So these type of scenarios you will see in the market sometimes. But these types of scenarios is appearing very rarely. In the day, 3 to 4 setups will appear, not more than 3 to 4 setups. So this one condition is like that. The another condition, the volume is decreasing, bar is increasing. The another condition is volume is increasing, and it's showing the selling effort is going to fail because the buyers are interrupting the candle. So I'm going to show you the chart, because very rarely we will find these type of setups. And then here. So when we see, when the buyers entered, again sellers entered, again buyers entered, these type of scenarios we will see, just to understand. Into this one, no, that is not, that is another. Because I told you, this scenario we will see very rarely, not again and again. That's why I take it to in the end. But in the waves you will see again and again, in the waves.
Okay.
In the say these type of candles like that. So here we cannot consider, because volume decreasing, again volume increasing, again bias intra volume increasing. They are changing the direction, but that is not that setup which we are talking about.
The first red candle volume decreasing, the second red candle should also volume decrease,
decreasing.
right?
And if the first candle volume increasing, the second red candle must be volume increasing. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So these
okay.
are the two scenarios. So in this, look at the volume is decreasing. Okay.
Yes.
Buyers entered. Again, volume decreasing. Buyers entered. So again, they are still increasing, but they are failed. The buyers again entered in the market. Okay. So this type of scenario, sometime you will see in the market. These type of sometimes it's creating a range. It's what creating? It's creating a range like a consolidation market. Okay, when they are don't going to take any decision when sellers and buyers are taking indecisions. So you will see these type of scenarios. So again, I'm going to search this type of concept. Very rarely you will find like that. Look at so volume increasing, bias entered. Volume again increasing, bias enters. Do you see? Market is moving in up direction. Sellers entered, volume increasing. Again, buyers entered, volume decreasing. Again, sellers entered, volume increasing. The buyers entered and they sucks all the pressure from the sellers and it's going up direction. So this is I'm going to save this picture that you can understand. This one, that is A and that is a B and that is a C. Okay, so A, B and C. So entered, buyers entered. Again, sellers. If again buyers entered, you understand that the seller buyers will continue. Because if the buyers have no power, then why they entered again? You will see the market will go in that direction. Once again, we found any other setup from the sellers. There is a, but that is the another scenario because here the one volume increasing here, decreasing here, increasing. So it's a not perfect setup. So that is another setup. Look at, but the volume is not convincing me. But that is the same situation. Look at the same situation and market going down. Okay, so these type of sometimes you if you find on the uptrend. So just I'm giving you hint now. In the uptrend, when you find the buyer's candle, the seller's candle, the buyer's candle, the seller's candle, you
Yeah.
can place a trade. On the next, it will goes down. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So now I'm taking the signal in the waves that you understand the waves. That is not a perfect setup. That is not a perfect. Yes. In this, now you consider the two waves. The one wave, the two wave, second wave. In this wave, do you see the volume is not above from the average? Average is like that. Okay. In this, volume is not above from the average. It means these are the two waves and volume is going down. Then market is going down. So when you consider
Yeah.
these two type of waves, it's showing that the demand is now no. There is no demand. Okay. So these type of waves you can
Okay,
consider in
but
the market. Again, just to go. So here, look at this wave and this wave. The volume is decreasing. The volume is decreasing. The market going down. The volume must increase. Okay. So increase they can continue. On the wave, if you find that wave and volume is decreasing from the buyers and sellers as increasing, they will continue more down.
but how to trade, sir?
Just 5 minutes after this red candle, when it appear the after when it appear this one appear and then this one appear. Okay, and that is the red candle is a confirmation candle and it's showing that the seller sucks the pressure of the buyers. So after this seller's
Okay,
candle, you can take a 5 minute trade. Okay,
okay, okay,
you can take 5 minute trade from here.
okay, okay,
All the condition is on the 5 minute trade.
okay.
in this can look at, these are the very near to each other. So the volume is decreasing on this wave and volume is decreasing on this wave. Do you see? The sellers is a confirmation. You can continue with the 5 minutes. Okay. So that is called the double top is not perfect, because double top, the one top is above, then the another top is below, then that will be the double top, and the single double bottom, that will be like the double bottom. This must like a trend. This must like a trend. Okay. But in the volume you can understand. So if you understand here, not here, here, not here. Okay, no. Look at in these are the again and again appearing concept. This waves concept again and again appearing. Also here, do you see the volume decreased? On the next wave, volume decreased, market goes down. Again on the next wave, volume decreased, market goes down. So if you using the trend lines, okay, that is a trend line. So trend line what shows? You can place a trade. If you place the trend line like point A to B and then point C, do you see the volume decreasing and the trend line is working here? Do you see the volume is not decreasing, it's equal with a 3 to 4 candle market going in up direction. So that is a trick to trade on the trend line. So because these type of scenarios is what showing? The trend trading showing. I will show you other examples. Okay, so I'm taking this picture. Here. Any type of trend line if you make, and on the next, if it's increasing volume, it means it will break in. So that is a point A, point B. From the point C, it's increasing volume. Increasing, it will continue. If the volume is decreasing here, then you can trade for the long down one. Okay.
Okay.
So you have also your strategies before you talk on the trend lines. I have so many other strategies on the trend lines.
Okay.
So do you see the volume is increasing on here, on the point C?
Yes, increasing.
So it will continue up. Volume decrease, you can go with the third way will work. Okay.
Okay. If a volume increasing, can we go for 5 minutes for a uptrend?
Yes, 5 minute uptrend, but after breaking the level, you wait for the retracement candle. If the retracement candle confirm you, then you can place a trade. Okay.
Okay. The retracement candle, it should be a retracement candle or the buying pressure candle.
Buying pressure candle or retracement is also known by the weak candle from the sellers or from the buyers. So retracement is a weak candle. Weak is a confirmation.
Okay.
Okay. That sellers
If
are
it's
not
strong,
interested.
if it's strong, it's not a confirmation.
Yes, it's strong, then it's not working.
Okay.
So we can make so many trades like in this scenario. Here, just to give you the idea about the uptrend. So here we are finding that is a one point A, point B. Okay, point A, point B. Now that is a point C. On the point C, volume decreasing. That is a sign that buyers will continue. On point D, volume is not decreasing, it's increasing. Do you see? Increasing.
Yes.
It's continuing. So it's a good strategy. Okay? It's a good strategy. I will give you another strategy about the trend lines. That is working very, very nice for me. I will share with you. So if I'm considering that, yes.
My plan was. My plan was I have to follow some money management from the Benjamin. So I
Mhm.
need a 3 to 5 inning ratio per a day. Is it enough?
Yes,
So which strategy is good to trade?
the VSA signals are very, very good.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, I'm understand. I'm listening you.
Okay.
The
Okay.
VSS.
Which one? Yes. Which one is you recommend?
Yes, I will recommend you after when you show me the practice. When I provide you
Okay.
sheets, you trade on those sheets and
Okay.
give me results. Then after results, we will talk. Now, before getting my decision, you will show me your decisions. These are the concepts. They are very comfortable, and I can trade these concepts, and these are my results. So I can take these setups also. When after practice, you will understand. So look at this. This is the
Okay.
point one, point A, point B. Okay, the point A and the
Okay.
point B. So now we are looking for the point C. So that is what the point C. Okay, and the point C, as compared to the previous bar and as compared to this bar, volume is not increasing like that, because that is a very huge bar, and that is a small bar have this type of volume, and very big bar is like a slightly increasing. It means volume decreasing. Okay, and then you see the market is moving down,
Yes.
and that is a confirmation. That is what? That is a confirmation sellers volume increased and then going down. So that
Yes.
is a good confirmation for the trend line. So there are so many traders, they are very, very worried about when they are waiting for 30 to 40 minutes when price reaches, but they failed. They saying, oh, the trend line is breakout. Now we can go for the bias. They failed because they don't know the inside concept. So this concept with the volume is very, very important.
Okay.
So there are so many things. Just how I am getting concepts when I'm analyzing the market. I analyze the concept again and again. If this concept like that is working, so again and again I can research, then maybe I will get the results. So in this case now, look at the point A, the point B. The point A volume is increased, the point B volume is decreased from the previous bars, and the point C, volume decreased. Go with the sellers.
Mm. Okay.
How it's working? Do you
Okay.
see?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's good working. And now I'm giving you the another strategy with this, that how we can make a trend channel very, very easily, and which will be very, very effective.
Okay.
If you have a patience, you will never fail in this strategy.
Okay. Sure.
21 period, okay?
Okay.
So 21 period, and we are getting the 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So
Okay.
I'm going to
Any three points, sir?
if there are two above fractals, then must be between one fractal. Okay? If
Oh.
there are two fractals
Okay.
below,
Okay.
then must
Okay.
be above one fractal. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So that is what? That is a trend line I draw. Okay? Copy
Okay.
4 times. How many times? 4 times.
4 times.
This one be on here. Okay? This one be
Okay.
on here. The second one be on the starting of the body. Okay?
Okay.
The third one be this one, fourth one on the here.
Okay.
Here, because that is the
Okay.
body starting point. So look at the results. So now here setup is complete. Okay, do you
Okay.
see reversal here? Do you see reversal
But
here?
how did you draw this one, the second trend line, sir?
Second trend line, how?
How did you place the green candle closing price or the red candle closing price? The second one, top.
It's the
Yes.
same. It's very,
Yeah. That.
very, they are very near to where the fractal you find only that one, this one. Okay. So, but sometimes
Okay.
you will see little bit difference. You can consider the both one. Okay, so you can consider the both one. Okay, sometime you will see. So in this, if there is a support level, then is it working here? Is it working here? Do you see the magic, this trend line magic? Now here, look
Yes.
at. Is it working here? Is it working here? Now it's broken.
Yes.
Volume increasing, broken. And again, do you see? It's getting support again from here. It's getting,
Yeah.
after breakout, it's getting support from here. Do you see again getting support from here?
Yes.
Do you see again and again they are getting support from here?
Yes.
It's breakout. Do you see again it's getting support from here? Support, resistance, support. How many times this trend line is working? From here to here. Okay, I will give you another example now. So it's my work. Okay, it's my work about the trend line. You will never see this concept anywhere. Okay, 4 line. Okay, and one line here, another line here. Okay, and the another line one will be, so that is a closing price, so we can consider this resistance level because that is the resistance. Okay,
Okay.
so on this area, when we consider all the points, now look at, is this support is working here? Now breakout. Is working resistance, is working resistance. So this channel is now okay, but here look at again, see. So your channel, every time when price touches, it will work. And here again I found this one. So just to draw the line from lower point to lower point and make the 4 lines.
Okay.
Yeah. A breakout happened, the volume slightly increasing. Okay,
Okay.
market going down. It means buyers have no power, that is a exhaustion. And once again, just I give you the, in the flat trend, how you can take in the flat. This one, and now 4. After this completion, I will give you the one concept about this, why this is working.
Okay.
So here, look at. If that is a true SNR levels, that's why it's rejecting from here. That's why it's rejecting from here. Volume decreased, it's going down. Now, look at. It's breaking, volume increasing, going continue. Again, it's rejecting, and here, do you see the volume increasing? It's connecting, and now it's acting as a support and resistance level. This one acting support and resistance level. So again and again it will give you the entry points, but you must change all the setups again and again. Okay, again and again you will change the setups. So now I'm sharing with you one concept about the trend lines. So so many traders, they are very worried. They are saying that I'm trading on the support and resistance, but my support and resistance is not working. What I will do? 50% results are coming. They are very worried. But they don't know in which condition, which support and resistance will work. Now tell me, that is the uptrend, a strong uptrend. So in the strong uptrend, only trend line support will work. Only trend line support will work very good way. So support only working when the horizontal only working when the trend is flat. When the trend is in uptrend or in downtrend, only these type of support and resistance are working. Trend line. So we must understand, we can get common sense. If we are in the trend, it means trend line support and resistance working. If we are in the flat, in the ranging market, it means only horizontal line will work here. So, but in the trend line, in the trend, we are using the horizontal support and resistance, and sometimes it's giving good results, sometimes bad results. That's the problem we are worried. So if you find the uptrend, you take the some points. So here I take the some points. Again and again, these points are working as a support level. No need to, you again draw the horizontal line. Oh, there is a support. Now I'm finding where is the support? So now tell me, when the candlestick reach here, or reach here. So it means we go for the backward. Oh, that is a resistance. But in the trend line, it's showing me that is a support. So in the trend, they are very, very worried that there is no support. Oh, there is a very, very easily you can find with the trend line. But in the trend line, when the price action is no in the past time, so how you can get the support and resistance with the horizontal line? Yes, there is an idea you can get the support and resistance with the trend line. So here, if I just join these 2 points, again and again I'm getting support, resistance. Is working or not working?
Working.
So it means the plotting of the support and resistance, drawing of the support and resistance, that is the art, that is a technique. So if you don't have a technique, then you will never find. So if you don't know about the trend line, only you are plotting the horizontal. So where you will confirm the level, tell me, because there is no price action. Yes. Then you cannot confirm. Now you are only taking this support as like this support, but this is not working. Why it's not working? Look at, because we are in the trend. Why this support is not working here? That is the wrong thinking. We are taking support and resistance in the horizontal with the trend line, with the trend, because trend is in the power. So if you are plotting the correct way of support and resistance, then you will be, your trade will be good. So that is a tip from me. You can understand, that is a gift from me, that how the support and resistance are working. You must understand, if the market is flat, the trend line will not work. If the market is trendy, the horizontal line will not work. Only the trend line will working. Okay? So that is the main thing to understand. These are all the research. Do you find any these type of concept which I sharing with you? You will never find, because that is the research. If you are working on any project and getting some new concept which are not mentioned in any course or any YouTube channel, it means that is your own creation. So that can help the other people. So in some days I will create this video that I can give the information. Those people, they are very worried about the support and resistance, that they are not getting good results on the support and resistance because they are doing wrong. That is the main thing. So when we are talking the price and we are talking the movement is what? When always the price is moving in the chart. So movement is a what? Movement is a direction. And direction is what? Direction is a trend. So we must understand the trend. Then if the trend is uptrend, we can use the uptrend type any support and resistance. And the trend is down, we can use the trend lines. These trend lines are what? These trend lines are diagonal. Diagonal SNR. These are working. And so many people know the gain fan, but they don't know what is gain fan. Only because it's very, very critical Market is moving in the direction. So direction, when we study the physics or when we study the mathematics, so always we study these type of triangles.
Yes.
45 degree, 65 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. So market moving in the direction. So what it shows, these angles shows the direction. So when the market is creating a direction, it will go in the direction. It will not break the direction. So if you see, if the market is moving in the 45 degree, then you will see market will touches here, go again, come here, touches here, again goes here, touches here, again goes here, touches here, again goes here. So you can create. It's easy. So just the main thing is that when you research, you must be cool, very, very cool. You don't worry about the time that you are wasting the time. No, that you are not wasting the time. So if I research so many hours on this concept, now it's giving benefit to other members. So it means I did not waste any time. So if I'm saying like that, just there is another thing. Look at zigzag. So many concepts are there. So many concepts. So market start from here, goes down, again goes up. It breaks. Look at now what I'm doing. So I just saw this one and I just saw this one. So I'm going to go here. Is it working? Is it working? Tell me.
Yes. Yes.
Why working? Because market is moving in the triangle. Only I get this point and this point and this point. And market is working here and also working here.
Yes.
So these are the concepts. I worked on so much on this concept. So I got one entry here, one entry here.
Okay.
Again, I'm going to show you this example again.
Entry should be when the price reach to support or resistance level.
Yes, the
volume
concept is
should be
that.
low.
Yes, concept is that if the market is giving you resistance and going down and again breaking the resistance level, okay, again going down, again breaking this one level, okay, this level is broken 2 times, okay,
Yes.
this level is broken 2 times.
2 times. 2 times.
So then you are taking this one level for here and for here, okay.
Okay. Okay.
So once again, that is not a good here, and just I got the good concept once again. Yes, if I try here, if I know it will not work here, but here, here, yes, maybe it will work here. Look at on this point, take here and take one line here. Okay, so this line is working little, but we are in the uptrend. Also, it's giving us a support here, support here, support. But in uptrend, you must find like below it's going in up direction. Okay, and the downtrend is going in down direction. I'm going to show you the down direction. Look at here. So this one, okay, now it's good. Here and the another line is from here to here. So market not reaches here. It's rejected from here. It's going up because there is a level. This one level you can consider this one level. Okay. So this level is broken. There is a what we say, there is a confluence level, but here it's working. Here it's working. So now it's changing again the another direction. So you must create a 45 angle. So 45 angle will give you help. If we are creating here this one and this one, this one and this one, okay, when it's reaching here, look at any angle will work for you. Any type of angle if you create, it will work for you. So once again, no, here, yes, that is a good, that is the good. This one point and this one point, okay, and then this one point and this one point. So market is moving now in this way, okay. So that is your channel. So market is moving in this wave, again goes down, again goes up. So when it reaches, it will definitely reject from this line, rejecting.
Yes.
So now as much as it expand, then you can take another entry like here. So if this one and this one is working, then this one and this one, no, yeah, okay, this one. So if this line, you take this higher high, it's working here, and now here there is no any expansion. So again, you can consider the another wave. So this wave now we found here. So again and again, you can create the waves like here to here and here to here. So look at this, and this wave is now following, okay. When market reaches like same on this level, it's working, okay, and when reaches this level, it's working. So when do you find, now again you find here this one to this one and this one to this one. If you find the price touches, then it will work. If not touches, then it will not work. So price is in this area. So these type of triangle, if you made, you can also get the good entries. So just to practice on these things. So here I'm getting this concept now. Look at this one is this one, and then this one is on this one. I got this entry, look at, got entry because I just getting this point and market goes up. So that is the point, and now on this point again I'm getting entry, and there is no. So again you will take the another way. So here,
yeah, all trade for 5 minutes, no sir?
5 minute trade, yes, 5 minutes.
And the volume should be low when the level touch.
Yes, volume. This expansion is not regard to the volume, but the trend line channel is regard to the volume. Okay, this is not regard to the volume. From here to here, okay, from here to here, and from here to here. So if you see here, it's a breakout. Again, market goes up, again get breakout, then it's going up. So sometime here now it's working. So these type of techniques you can follow. When you trade in the market, you must open your mind that what is going on in the chart. When you confused that, oh, maybe if I trade here, I can lose the money, all your concept, all your education will stop. You must take the breath, cool down, and look at the market, what market is saying to you. Then you can start. That is the main thing. So these things I gave you, Father, that you can take good decisions. So the main thing I gave you that in the trend, use the trend line. In the range market, you use the horizontal line. That is very important. Okay. And then must again, I'm going to show you this. If the buyer's candle is stronger in ultra high volume, it's getting a seller's pressure. So the next candle, if again do you see the lower wick from the buyers and volume is increasing, that is a sign of continuation. Buyers again will continue. And if the you see the weakness in the buyer's candle with ultra high volume, the next candle is a low volume, it's a sign of continuation. Just to read the psychology of the candles. So what the candles, previous candle showing you, what the next candle showing you. Once they getting weak, there is no problem they are getting strong or not. They will continue. Okay? So that is the main thing. Once they are getting weak, if they don't strong, you don't think that the buyers will continue. No, the sellers will continue because they are getting weak. And in this candle, there is no volume increasing. It means buyers not entered. If the volume increases in the small, it means the buyers entered. Then you can consider, oh no, buyers can again go, again come. So these things. So tomorrow is Sunday. You take all the classes in the video and you practice on it, and then show me some your research that how you are feeling with the concepts. If you are still confusing with any type of concept, that I can again review all the concepts. So on the Monday, we will review all the concept because all the concept is covered. Okay. So all the signals are covered here, but now it's your turn to go. And on the Sunday, you practice it, all the concept. There it's working or not working. So then your thinking will be clear about these confusions. If there are still confusion, note down all the things. Note down. It's no problem how many questions you can note down. If 10, 15, 20, for 50, no problem. Okay, just when you research, also your confusion will be clear. But still, if the confusion is remain, then you can come to me and I will give you all the understanding. So we will talk more about on the Monday about this concept. Okay, brother?
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
And sir, I have to learn you said yesterday you will teach me pressure reading, candle pressure reading.
Yes, a chart reading we will understand on the Monday.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.